psychedelic. Hey. Head game stronger, that's a ball.
Hey guys, this is Kim and I am at Hair Queen LA. I'm going to get my makeup done and getting these treatments and stuff for my birthday. So stay tuned so we can see how they look on my hair.
Cause I'm wearing a crown, now that I'm stacking my chips, they wanna call me now. But I'm like, you ain't touching us, baby. You ain't touching us, baby. You ain't touching us, baby. Like Janet J say, why have you done for me lately? Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. Hop up on the beat, they go crazy. HQ Queens, they stay bumping us day. Your hair, nails on stiletto. Hit the bag, count the netto. Keep it hot, just like a kettle. We going up, foot on the pedal. Hair, nails on stiletto. Hit the bag, count the netto. Keep it hot, just like a kettle. We going up, foot on the pedal.
Late slate ain't nothing but a thing. Double C's ain't nothing but a thing. This WAP ain't nothing but a thing. Hoes hurt, I'm never looking the same. Late slate ain't nothing but a thing. Double C's ain't nothing but a thing. This WAP ain't nothing but a thing. Hoes hurt, I'm never looking the same. Stepping out of line, you better bow with respect. All lies on the looks, bitch, I'm cutting for neck. With the hair queen and lace, so I'm looking like chips. 40 inches, let me ask, I call this wig rough six. Just wanna know
Hi, my name is Kim and I'm here at Hair Queen LA and I just got my hair done and my makeup and these beautiful teeth and extensions that I love.
How do you like them?
I love them.
They look super
I love that
soft.
they're so versatile. I can put my hair up, put my hair down, change my part. They're so easy. Just wake up, go.
Perfect. Today I'm gonna be helping Kim out with the trivia, so we're gonna get into it.
Okay. First question. Name the 5 Spice Girls.
Oh my god. Is it Baby Spice?
Get it?
POSH Spice?
Get it.
Sporty Spice?
Okay.
Damn. Is it Crazy Spice? I don't even remember.
You're kind of on your own.
Oh
with
my
this
god.
one.
I said Sporty Spice already. Is it Ginger? Ginger?
Ginger's
One more.
Oh my god. The one with the hair, the one with the hair. Oh my god, I
What's
can't
the
remember.
name?
POSH?
Crazy Spice?
Oh my god.
Wild
I can't
Spice.
remember.
What's the
I
name?
can't remember her. That's probably the one I don't remember. Oh my
No.
god. Did we fail?
Lifeline.
Sporty? Is it Sporty?
Scary Spice.
Oh my god.
Scary
Okay,
Spice,
we did it.
right? Nice.
Nice job. Okay. Next question. In the movie Get Out, what is the place where black people get stuck? A, the tethered place. B, the sunken place. C, the dark place.
Is it the second place?
Yeah.
Yes, you're correct. Number 3. In Avengers, how did Thanos kill half of the population? A, a bomb. B, snapping his fingers. Or C, poisonous gas.
Is it poisonous gas?
It's snapping his fingers, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's snapping his fingers. I only know because I just watched it.
So you got them all right.
Watch the
So you did get them all right, so you win.
Yay! She's going home with a nice wheel massage gun and a goodie bag today.
Yes, thank you, Hair Queen, for this hair, the makeup.
Face to face, disappearing the